Are you really cleansing your skin, or are you just moving dirt around? Let's talk about double cleansing. If you've ever felt like your skin still isn't clean after washing, or worse, you've noticed clogged pores and dullness, here's a game changer: double cleansing. Maybe you've heard of it. Every day your skin collects layers of dirt, oil, and makeup that a single cleanse just can't fully handle. Over time, this buildup blocks your pores and dulls your natural glow. And harsh scrubbing, that can wreck your skin barrier, leaving it dry and irritated. Double cleansing is a two-step process that ensures a true deep clean while protecting your skin barrier and keeping hydration locked in. Here's how. Step 1, start with an oil-based cleanser, like the F78 Arbequina Cleansing Oil. It gently melts away makeup, sunscreen, and sebum, all without stripping your skin. Step 2, follow with a water-based corrective cleanser, like the F71 Corrective Cleansing Gel, to wash away sweat, dirt, and grime. It leaves your skin refreshed, balanced, and glowing. This duo works together to unclog pores, brighten your complexion, and prep your skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizers. And the best part? No irritation, no dryness, just a hydrated, radiant base ready to shine. Want to create your perfect cleansing routine? Take my free skincare quiz in the description.